Hello, and welcome to Vertex Forge's feature introductions. This time, we will take a look at layouts and how they help you create easily reusable, flexible page compositions by wrapping your content in consistent and dynamic structures, eliminating repetitive setup and coding effort. Every page in your project can set a specific layout as a reference. The moment the layout reference is changed, Vertex Forge resolves your globally created layout and immediately shows your page content encapsulated by it in the visual editor. For demonstration purposes, let's switch the layout reference for our homepage from the default layout to the Vertex Forge layout and the Vertex Forge detail pages layout. You will immediately realize that the encapsulating layouts have different components enriching the page. In one case, a second header, and in the detail pages layout case, even a navigation sidebar. You can of course freely choose to either set no layout or the layout of your choice. To quickly access the layout of your choice to view the included components or adapt it, click the button next to your chosen layout to open the story. Layout components have top, left, right, and bottom content slots that surround the page content, as well as an overlay slot that occupies a special position. You can freely choose which content components you want to place in these slots, or even use global components, referencing and reusing content components like headers or footers across multiple layouts. Placing components into the left side content and right side content slots allows you to create complex layouts that feature sub-navigations or informative sidebars, as well as multi-column layouts and more. Layouts can not only set theme settings for themselves as a whole, but also for the page or main content encapsulation through the content theme. Vertex Forge makes layout management simple and scalable. Layouts are only loaded when needed, so your end users get faster pages and a consistent interface and user experience. At the same time, your editors enjoy a streamlined workflow, visual clarity, and maintainable structures.